What's up, everybody, and welcome to Dad Got This. What are we doing today? Well, today we're getting a little corny. Oh man, that's bad, right? Yeah. We're making air fried corn. One of my favorite things in the world is grilled corn on the cob, but I just don't have the time to get outside, light up the coals, grill the corn, do all that. It's too much hassle during the week. But I have an air fryer, like 10 air fryers, and air fried corn has that same texture as grilled corn. It's totally different than boiled corn, and it has a very similar texture to grilled corn. So I make it using the same preparation that I use my grilled corn, and it tastes really similar. It's super fast, super delicious, and super easy. We only need a couple of items. I like to use olive oil. It just adds a great nutty flavor to the corn as opposed to butter or cooking spray. I don't know, it has a better flavor if you ask me. Plus, technically, it's healthier. Hey, we're cooking healthy today. The preparation could not be simpler. You take your corn, you put it in your basket or your vessel or whatever it is you're gonna cook it in. This has a basket. We line our basket with foil. We take our corn, we drizzle it in olive oil, and then you take your spices and you just sprinkle your spices all over the corn. You put your garlic powder. I use garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of salt, and depending on if the corn is for me or the family, I'll use cayenne pepper, black pepper, but if it's for the family, nothing else. Just salt, garlic powder, onion powder, olive oil, and that's it. We'll pop it in an air fryer at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. And I'll tell you, it comes out fantastic. After 10 minutes, you get some awesome looking corn. Hold on. You can zhuzh it up a little bit at the end. We can put some fresh cilantro on there. You can put Mexican street corn style. You could put a little bit of crumbled cheese on there, whatever cheese you like, the white Mexican cheese. You can put Parmesan cheese on there, kind of whatever you want. A little bit of lime on there. Eat it however you like. I like it just like this. For the photo, I think I'm gonna put a little bit of fresh cilantro on there. So hold on, let me chop up some fresh cilantro.
You wanna know something about corn?
What? What are you doing? This is not even the right channel.
Why are all the corn afraid of Jimmy?
I don't know. Why are all the corn afraid of Jimmy?
Because Jimmy cracked corn and he don't care. Waka waka.
Oh my God, that was terrible. If you guys like terrible jokes, like that one, the bear tells terrible jokes in my outlet videos on the Dad Got Parks channel every week. I do them Saturday nights at 8 p.m. They premiere. I go shopping over at the Disney outlets and he makes terrible jokes during the videos. If that's something you're interested in, go check out the Dad Got Parks channel. It's got all kinds of stuff with my adventures with me and my family. Go to Disney and the parks, rides, restaurants, foods, a little bit more into the life of the Dad family. If that's something you might enjoy, go check that channel out. Maybe give it a subscribe. You might like it. But let's get back to the food, not the terrible jokes. All right, let's sprinkle a little bit of this on there, mainly for looks. Now for the best part. Oh man. It just has a, woo. I did put some heat in there, woo. It just has a different texture than boiled corn. The olive oil on there gives it a great flavor. The spices, it's not overly buttery or sweet. You really taste the flavor of the corn. You're letting the corn shine here. You're not overpowering it with a bunch of butter and salt and craziness. Just let the produce do its work and enjoy the flavor of the item. It's one of my favorite things. Great side dish. Super easy to do. You can throw it in the oven or the air fryer while you're working and making your meal. It's awesome. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos and the content. If you are, I'd ask that you might consider subscribing and maybe clicking the notification bell or doing something like that. Stay tuned. Lots more videos coming up. And as always, Dad doesn't do outros. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Here's a couple more that I think you might enjoy. If you don't enjoy them, you could go ahead and look up other things online like, I don't know, miming. Miming sounds really cool. Go look up miming. Try that out. All right. Have a wonderful day.